friends, welcome to Acharya Ganesh. I'm here to share some remedies that you can perform on the coming occasion of Nag Panchami that falls in the auspicious month of Shravan. And as the name suggests, Panchami, we know that it falls on the Panchami Tithi of Shukla Paksha. So this day is dedicated to Nagas, serpents, the one who represents mysticism, wealth, power. And when we go and worship in the temple of Lord Shiva this day, especially worshipping snakes on this day, it's actually brings a lot of protection and blessings in your life. A lot of astrological remedies are recommended and proved to be highly beneficial when they are performed on this day, like remedy for Kaal Sarp Dosh and a remedy for your any Visha Yoga in your horoscope. You should be performing on this day. So without any delay, go ahead and make preparations and get ready to perform your remedies if you have any of these doshas in your horoscope. And I hope this Nag Panchami will bless you with protection and prosperity. Thank you very much.